any course of action that weakens your physical or mental power unfits you for the service of your Creator, right, of our power. We are to love our power with all our hearts, and if we have an eye single to His glory, okay, we shall eat, drink, and clothe ourselves with reference to His divine will. So that's also the key there. What is the will? His will, not my will, but your will. Everyone who has a realizing sense of what it means to be an Israelite, okay, and more specifically of the election, will purify themselves from everything that weakens and defiles. All the habits of his life will be brought into harmony with the requirements of the word of truth, and he will not only believe but will work out his own salvation with fear and trembling, while submitting to the molding of the Holy Spirit, the Spirit of truth.